Hi everybody, it's Molly with Out of the Barn Crochet Creations. Today's going to be a little bit different. I have a video of my farm animals because although crochet is a huge part of my life, there is also the rest of my life, which is the farm animals and the kids and all that stuff. And I thought it would be kind of cool to let you see the farm animals, at least some of them. My horses are in it, and my chickens, and there's some ducks. It's kind of cool. I thought maybe it would be enjoyable, just something you might not see all the time. Um, yeah, they're just another part of my many faceted life. So I thought it would be kind of fun to share it with you. All right, I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Lexi, what's he doing? Hi, Ruru. Hi, Whiskey. Hi. Hi, baby girl. What you doing? I don't have anything right now. She says lies. I smell it on your fingers. Bad. Foot. Yeah. No, do it again. Foot. 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 Yeah. Good girl. Foot. Foot. Yeah. Okay. Try that again. Foot. Foot. Whiskey. Whiskey. Foot. Okay. Foot. 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 Come on. Yeah, all right. Good girl. Okay. One more. Foot. Okay. Try again. Wrong foot. I know. I know. The audacity of it. Wrong foot. 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 There you go. This is Whiskey. She's my good girl. She's a Tennessee Walker. Come here, Whiskey. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. No. Okay. Walk on. No. Walk on. Walk on. Good girl. No. Walk on. I'll get a treat after. Come here. Come here. Don't walk too far off. Okay. Walk on. Walk on. Oh. The camera doesn't bode well. Come here. Good girl. Oh. Come here. Come here. Whiskey, come here. Whiskey. Come here. Come here. Good girl. There's a good girl. Yes. Good girl. Yes. I owe you a treat. I'm out of them. I don't have pockets. Hi, Ruru. What you doing? Okay. Get the treat. Oh, we got the treat. Here, Whiskey. Alright. Alright, Whiskey. Let's see if we can do some fun stuff. Yeah? You want to do some fun stuff? Yeah? You want to do some fun stuff? Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. This is Ruru. That's Whiskey's butt. See if I can get them to, get Whiskey to turn around here again. Try to get a picture of Whiskey, of Ruru. Ruby is her name. Whiskey, come here. Come here. Ruby likes to boss Whiskey around, so. I don't have any pockets, so, holding treats is a little hard. There's Whiskey. There's my girl. They're just pasture puffs. Yeah, we gotta do a wash and brush out her mane real good. It gets really tingly. Yeah, but we got her less itchy. She's a little cleaner. She did roll in the mud. We got some of the fluff off, the winter coat off. We'll do another brushing tomorrow. Yeah. And we'll just keep working on that. We'll just keep working on it. We've got Ruby cleaned up too. She's gonna go golden for the summer, huh? She turns, you see the color on her face? Well, she looks like that on her body in the summer. Right now she's a little brown, black almost. But she'll go golden in the summer. Once her coat, you can see it on her shoulders. Well, you probably can't with the video. But, oh, we're really blurry. Okay, the camera doesn't want to capture Ruby's image. There's Whiskey. But anyway, I was just playing with the horses. It's part of what I do. It's probably why I don't crochet so much, because I play with the horses when it's nice and warm. Yeah. But that's what we're doing. Now that I'm fully and completely covered in horsehair, I'm going to go get cleaned up. The girls let me brush them, and Whiskey even decided that she didn't want to participate in what I wanted her to do. And then she alerted me that she was very itchy by rolling, which you saw her start to roll earlier. I did not get the actual roll on camera, but I saw the start of it. And then we had she got a little frisky with me when I asked her to to play with me. And then I started scratching her, and she was like, chill. And I realized that what she was asking me in horse language was, I'm itchy, and I don't want to play until I'm less itchy. Which is totally reasonable. So now I'm just giving them freebie treats because they're spoiled. Yeah, aren't you? Hi, Rusty. Or, your name's not Rusty. What do we call you? I forget. Chuk, 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 chuk! Chuk, 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 chuk! Look at all. Uh-huh. I know you were in my barn. Yeah. Chuk, chuk, chuk. So the question is not, do my chickens need these treats? They don't. But we were trying to win over the rooster, who was being a little rude to my kids. So, but now I'm just spoiling them because they all came to me. Ooh, there's grasshoppers in here. You eat that? The rooster was given to us. He was a loose rooster. He's watching out for aerial threats. It's a really pretty day. Alright, that's it. I just wanted to show you off my birds.
Hey everybody, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it through the video, I hope go ahead and tell me what your favorite part of the video was. Which animal was your favorite? I do have two dogs. You saw Lexi in the video. Maggie's behind me sleeping, so she will have to be featured in a different video. We will get back to the regular scheduled programming next time, but I just thought it'd be kind of cool to show you my animals and see if there was any interest in seeing them on a regular basis. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you like this and you'd like to see more videos, um, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more animal videos, if you just want me to stick to the crochet content, if you have any ideas for the crochet content. I've got some patterns planned to show you, um, do a little review on them. I'm going to do some free ones and then some paid ones, and they're going to be like the ones I'm choosing for my market prep and my shows. There's a couple yarn reviews I'm in the process of making. It just takes a while because I have to actually review them. All right, so that's it. And yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.